the hose because it's aluminum, you know.
Aluminium. Yeah. Put it right on the bottom.
Like the bumper. So when you buy the new, you can use the bumper. You don't have
So your message will say, call me back before I leave and I take your part with me.
Let's see if she called.
Oh, I called. 817.
3 minutes ago, she did call. 3 minutes ago.
I thought I called. Never been here before.
And she say being that we didn't answer, she got the
I
right
will
to
go
do what?
drive off. I'll tell you what.
Get the right to bust her off.
Damn right.
We're just blessed to have someone so patient. That's
Yeah, you know.
Patient. You got the wrong bitch.
And she's going to
Oh, I was going to put it on its side so you can look at it closer because I didn't think you want to go too far without looking at it. So I'll hold the top.
I got you.
Set her down so you can look at her.
I got you.
Down on the ground so you can look at it.
I don't want to put the edges on the ground.
That's how it rode here. That's why I
sit
got
on
all
that
these
stand
carpet
over there?
pieces in the trunk.
Smart lady.
Yeah, that's simple. That's no problem.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
It's already paid for itself.
Yeah, it's good.
We also do gas tanks, pickup beds, frames. We haul it all.
Thank you.
But if you want a pickup bed, make sure you have a forklift queue or enough people so that I'm not going with this hold up.
Would you hit me with it one more time, Red? Thank you. To all my YouTubers, we out here again at VTSV Auto, man. Getting work done, multitasking. You know, this is all detailed work. Like I was saying in another video, you don't have to build, a $100,000 car, $200,000 old school. We just have the ability to build a $200,000 old school here. But if you do have more simple things, collision work, just to spruce up, maybe a color change, we can get it done. This is a full candy. It's simple, it pops, but it's no extra metallic. It just do let the candy do the talking. It's a real clean factory paint job, something simple. This is a different, this is a lot easier, I should say, milder than the type of paint that you would need for a donk like this, that every inch of it, the door jambs and everything, under here has to be painted because everything was touched. So this is beyond the normal aspect of a paint job, but we could do it. This is a new hood we got for it. It's for the Infiniti that we're getting ready to sell. This is another candy. The Infiniti is a candy. That's why I was saying the simple things that we could do that's not as outrageous. If you want to be more subtle, you can get a candy that's a little more subtle, but it gives you that custom pop to it. All of this got to be painted the bottom side, so he's preparing for everything to be painted to match this. We did do a little detail work like on the Toyota. We painted, your everything that is beyond the jams. We painted the shock towers. The top of the radiator support was custom matched the color. The engine cover had the same color on it. So now with the fender bender, the radiator support had a little damage. The reason why it was, this is a fiberglass piece, it's not structural steel, so it's easy to break on these. But we obviously got a new one. Red already got it prepped and painted, but this one we're going to paint. Being like I say, sometimes a fender bender can open the door for customization. Being that we had to put a new radiator support on, we're going to paint the complete radiator support, the front fascia of it off the vehicle, where it'll be a lot cleaner setup, and then we'll go ahead and put everything back on, take all of the old stuff off, put the new ones on, and then we'll go ahead and mount the new hood, which is what Red is preparing now, and then paint the exterior. Little things happened that he had to straighten out the dents here. Obviously you can see that body work is already done, but now it's just time to prepare it and paint it. when you shut your hood, this is what you should hear when you shut your hood. You know what I'm saying? We pre-fit. Oh man. Oh man, did y'all hear that snug click? Oh man. Now look at the gap line that's coming all the way through. Look at the gap line. You know, all the way through. We had a couple of fender bender, you know what I mean? All of the stuff was straightened out. You know, he got everything lined up, both sides. But then, not only is it lined up, you know that it's a radiator support that went in, which holds the trunk latch, which sometimes can be off. If you remember what happened to the orange car that Red had fixed, it wasn't lined up. But now, when you hit the release mechanism, give me it.
Here, look at here.
Oh man, did you hear that pop? Them 2 pops that made me proud today. Pimp My Red, coming to you. Coming to your hood soon. Y'all better look out, man. We gonna pull up on you.